milder. I've got some mild temperatures in my forecast. Go ahead and take a look at what we're expecting. It's not going to be immediate in the short term. Look at this picture I showed you earlier, which had some snow showers on it. Well, we're not seeing as much there, but we are still seeing something fall. So there may be a little bit of rain-snow mix, or what we're seeing is also falling very lightly. And it shows up on the radar. This is that camera. It was located right about, actually, I think it's right there at that intersection of State Road 25. We are watching the snow on radar, but again, it depends on where you are if that's actually reaching the ground. I think most of you are going to deal with clouds more than anything else, especially if you're south of Indy. Now, from Indian Points to the north, snow will stay in the forecast for this evening. A little bit of snow there on the camera outside of Peru. We are expecting some light snow showers, but accumulation is going to be very little, if any, less than an inch for most of you. I'd say from Indy up to, say, Kokomo and maybe over to Muncie, and then eventually up to Marion. As far as what to expect those temperatures to do, well, they will cool down a bit before the front passes, but the real cooler part of the forecast is going to be once this little front passes, and you can almost make it out right about there. Watch as it swings through and drops the temperatures into the 20s. Definitely some colder air expected to move through, maybe get you even into the teens for areas north of Indy, and that will be a cold start to tomorrow, and we just really can't overcome that for tomorrow. So we're stuck with temperatures likely very close to 30 for our daytime high. Probably not even getting out of the 20s if you're from Indy and Points to the north, but expecting a dry forecast for Thursday and a dry forecast into Friday as well. Temperatures moderating just a little bit, and that moderating trend is going to continue through the weekend and even into next week as our temperatures each and every day get just a little bit warmer. So tomorrow's a cold day, but it's one of the coldest days we have in the 7-day forecast. Lots of sunshine expected here during the afternoon. Temperatures up close to 30. And then looking down the road, we take these near 30-degree temperatures and we add a few degrees each and every day so that by the time we get into Friday, we're up above freezing. A little bit of a setback here, but not too far off from where we should be for Saturday. Mostly cloudy skies expected here. A little bit better for your Sunday with highs in the upper 30s. This is close to or maybe even a little bit above the average for this time of year. And take a look at Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Temperatures actually getting well above the average, back into the mid 40s. Now, the good news about the 7-day forecast is there's not much in the way of any rain or snow here. There's a couple of chances. There's one there on Tuesday, but this is overall a pretty dry forecast. So with the exception of what we're seeing in our forecast for this evening and that chance of rain next Tuesday, it's not a whole lot happening other than temperatures slowly increasing as we get further and further into 2026.